Hello and welcome back to Speak English with Stories. This is a calm place where you learn English through simple stories and real emotions. My name is Jane and I'm very happy you're here today. In this video, you will listen to English at a slow and natural pace. You will improve your listening, your speaking, and your confidence. This episode is not about tests or rules. It's about understanding, repeating, and enjoying the process of learning English step by step. As you listen, try to repeat after me. You can pause the video if you need to. Don't translate. Just copy the sound, the rhythm, and the feeling of the language. Now, let me tell you a short story. It's about one woman, one ordinary life, and a small moment that changes everything. Her name is Emma. She is 30 years old and lives alone in a quiet part of the city. She works as an office assistant in a small company. Her job is stable and predictable. Every morning, Emma wakes up at the same time, takes a shower, and drinks coffee in silence. She takes the bus to work, listens to music, and looks out the window. At work, she answers emails, prepares documents, and helps her colleagues. People describe Emma as kind and reliable. She smiles often and never complains. From the outside, her life looks calm and organized. But inside, Emma feels like something is missing. Her days feel the same. Weeks pass quickly, but nothing feels new or exciting. Emma often feels this emptiness in the evenings. After work, she comes home, cooks dinner, and sits on the sofa with her phone. She scrolls through social media and sees people traveling, learning new things, and changing their lives. She feels a quiet pressure in her chest. She tells herself, I want to grow, I want to be better. But she doesn't know where to start. Emma studied English years ago at school, but she never felt confident. When she hears English now, she understands some words, but not everything. She feels shy when she tries to speak. Sometimes she thinks, I'm too busy. Other times she thinks, I will start tomorrow. But tomorrow always becomes next week. This feeling follows her everywhere, at work, at home, even in her dreams. She wants change, but fear keeps her in the same place. One evening, after a long and tiring day, Emma does something different. Instead of opening social media, she searches for something new. She types, Learn English with Stories. She finds a simple video. The voice is calm. The words are slow and clear. The story is easy to follow. Emma listens carefully. For the first time in a long time, she doesn't feel pressure. She doesn't feel stupid or late. She feels safe. The speaker asks the listener to repeat. At first, Emma only whispers. Her pronunciation is not perfect, but she continues. She pauses the video. She repeats again. The next day, she listens again. 10 minutes, then 15, then 20. Slowly, a small routine appears. Emma listens in the morning while drinking coffee. She listens again in the evening after work. The stories become familiar. The words start to feel alive. One day at work, something unexpected happens. A foreign client visits the office. Emma's colleague asks a simple question in English, but the client looks confused. Emma feels her heart beat faster. Her hands are cold. But she remembers a sentence from one of the stories. She takes a breath and speaks. Her voice is quiet, but clear. The client smiles and understands. It is not a perfect conversation, but it is real. That evening, Emma walks home slowly. The city feels different. The lights feel warmer. She understands something important. Change does not come suddenly. It comes through small actions, repeated every day. Emma is still the same person, but now she is moving forwards. Emma realizes that learning is not about talent or age. It is about patience and consistency. She understands that fear becomes smaller when you face it slowly, not in one big step, but in many small ones. English is no longer an enemy for her. It becomes a tool, a bridge, a way to connect with the world. Emma still makes mistakes, she still forgets words, but she no longer stops. She feels proud, not because she is perfect, but because she continues. Every story she listens to gives her confidence. Every sentence she repeats gives her strength. Her life does not change overnight, but her attitude changes, and that changes everything. Thank you for listening to this story on Speak English with Stories. Remember, you don't need to be fast or perfect. You only need to continue, listen again, repeat again, and trust the process. I'll see you in the next story. Keep learning and keep moving forward.